How to link Palmon survival progress to Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to link your Palmon survival progress to your Facebook account, then the process is quite easy. So let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is to open your Palmon survival game on your device. And once you do, from the main homepage or the game section, go ahead and tap on your avatar icon at the top left corner. And from the Explorer info page, go to the bottom and tap Settings. Inside Settings, select Account. And in this User Center pop-up, click on Link Social. Now choose the Facebook option and tap on Link right next to Facebook. You'll then need to go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credentials. Type in your Facebook email or phone number when prompted and enter your password and tap Login. The game will then ask for permission to link your account, allow access, and once done, your game progress will be saved to Facebook. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.